Colorful plant foods are good for our health because of their plant pigments, and turmeric is no exception. Much of the publicity surrounding the spice is thanks to the main active component curcumin, which makes up about 3% of the root by weight. Although an impressive constituent, it's worth remembering that curcumin is one of hundreds of bioactive compounds for which turmeric is famed. The value of these protective compounds is that they help the body combat the damaging effect of a process called oxidation. Over time, this process may lead to chronic inflammation and, as a result, lead to age-related conditions including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and cancer. Including protective foods in the diet means our bodies are better placed to cope with aging and the inflammation associated with it, as well as with exercise-induced inflammation and muscle soreness. Another clinical trial showed that 90 milligrams of curcumin taken twice a day for 18 months helped improve memory performance in adults without dementia. Researchers thought that the reduction in brain inflammation and curcumin's antioxidant properties led to less decline in neurocognition, which is the ability to think and reason. Turmeric is a flowering plant, Curcuma longa, of the ginger family, Zingiberaceae, the rhizomes of which are used in cooking. The dried root of the Curcuma longa plant is ground into a distinctive yellow powder, earning it the nickname golden spice. The taste of turmeric is described as being earthy, bitter, somewhat musky, and with a bit of a peppery kick. If you have depression, the protein known as brain-derived neurotrophic factor or BDNF is reduced and your hippocampus, which helps with learning and memory, starts to shrink. A study shows that curcumin can boost BDNF levels and may reverse changes. 1 tablespoon of ground turmeric powder contains approximately 29 kilocalories or 123 kilojoules. 9g protein, 4g carbohydrates, 1g fiber, 3g fat, 196 mg potassium, 7 mg iron. In both lab and animal studies, the use of turmeric has been shown to help reduce instances of platelet aggregation and potentially reduce the risk of blood clots forming. Given that curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory compound, it makes sense that it may help with arthritis. In fact, several studies show that there is an association. In a study in people with rheumatoid arthritis, curcumin was even more effective than an anti-inflammatory drug. Besides that, turmeric can also be useful for improving skin health, helps treat arthritis symptoms, can help treat or prevent certain cancers. Thank you for watching. I hope this is useful and adds to your insight.